got products, routines, treatments, the list goes on and on. But what about the fellas, huh? Are they doing enough? The answer you're probably guessed is no. Well, ladies and gents, today we're going to show you how to help the men in your life get on track with their skincare routine.
You know, I know I'm not the only one that needs some help in this department. One of our producers, John, he needs a little direction as well. There you go, John.
Wow.
There you go. So, John, what's your skincare routine like, man?
I have no routine to speak of.
None?
Nothing.
Well, here to help us and show us what we've been missing in our skincare routine is board-certified plastic surgeon, Dr. Anthony YOUN. Doc, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's start out right away with what's the biggest mistake that men make with their skincare?
The biggest mistake is what John's doing, is that they don't really have a skincare routine. So many men think that barely washing your face once a day is enough, and it isn't. Now, you don't have to do 10 steps like maybe Michael does every morning, but 2 minutes is all you really need to have good, healthy skin, and that's what we're going to go over today.
Awesome.
But yeah, because I've learned, though, you got to take care of the skin. Not that I use a lot of makeup here on the show, but I use a little bit. I got to get it off, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, I learned from watching women take care of their skin. I think it's very important because skin is...
Wait, say that word you learned from...
Watching women take care of their skin.
That's it.
All right, well, you know what? But the thing is, mornings can be very hectic for a lot of people. And what are some of the essential things that men must do?
Okay, so the first thing is you've got to cleanse your skin, but not with bar soap. So many men, they use bar soap. It dries your skin. It leaves a film on your skin. Use a bar soap for your body, not for your face.
But the guys that like, my skin on my body is the same as the skin on my face. Why
But
can't
I don't think it is. I think your skin on your face is more sensitive and more, you need to be more gentle with
I'm just asking for some other dudes.
Oh, okay.
My bad. Well, tell your friend, Michael, that...
Yeah.
So men are also at higher risk of acne and of clogged pores. And so using a good daily scrub like this one by Cetaphil is a great way to cleanse your skin very gently.
Okay.
Now, if you want to take the next step, then exfoliating your skin 2 to 3 times a week using a gentle scrub like this from St. Ives. Very nice way to get that upper layer of skin off, to clean everything out, clear out your pores, and get nice, softer, smoother skin.
And you also don't have to like do it like you're trying to grind paint off of a car.
No,
like,
you know if you've over-exfoliated, because then you get irritation. Your skin should not be irritated if you're exfoliating.
Okay. Dr. YOUN, what's the next step after you do the cleansing? Where to go?
All right, so the next step is to use a vitamin C antioxidant. So antioxidants, they fight free radicals. All day our skin is attacked by free radicals. They cause oxidation. Oxidation you've heard of, it's one of the main agers of our body. So yeah, and who wants to age? So you want to use a good vitamin C, like this one's by Vichy. And what that does is it once again fights those free radicals. But the key with vitamin C is it has to be in a bottle that doesn't let light in.
Interesting.
Okay?
Oh.
So you don't want one in a clear bottle, and if it turns brown, it has oxidized. It is not good to use.
Okay.
It's kind of like if you have an apple and you cut an apple and it's nice and white, tastes good. You leave it out for a couple hours, it turns brown, it has oxidized, just like the vitamin C can.
And guys need to throw it, just get a new bottle, because you know guys will be like, hey, there's still something in there, I don't care.
Okay, now
And then the next step after that, super important, is you got to apply sunscreen. Okay, that's the last step. So you cleanse, antioxidant sunscreen, at least an SPF 30.
Is that over here?
No, this is this one.
Okay.
This is a nice one. So the issue is that men have a higher risk of skin cancer than women do, and it's probably because men don't apply sunscreen.
Right.
And one reason why they don't apply sunscreen is because they don't want to feel all greasy, and they're not used to that. So there's so many good daily sunscreens now. They're very light. They feel real good on your skin. You hardly even know that you're wearing it.
I just came from vacation, and I apply sunscreen every day. Even though I got a little more mocha, I still feel like my skin is protected. Men need to do that more often, especially African-American men, because you feel like you don't need it, but you need it just as much as anybody else.
And that's real key. If you have darker skin, you may not burn, but you can still get sun damage and you can get skin cancer.
That's important.
Which you don't want. All right, Doc.
Okay.
Now that our morning routine is all taken care of, what about the nighttime? What do we do?
Okay, super important at night. You got to start by cleansing your skin. If you only wash your skin once a day, you got to do it at night, because all day what happens? You get dirt, you get pollution, you get grime, sweat. Exactly. You got to wash that off and let your skin breathe at night. Second thing is I recommend using a retinol cream.
Oh, really?
Now, retinol is a version of vitamin A. A prescription strength is called Retin A, which I'm sure you've all heard of.
Yeah, I have. I sure have.
Retin A you got to get from a doctor, though, whereas a retinol is over-the-counter strength, and most big skincare companies have a retinol version. This is one by Rock that's very easy to find, not that expensive.
Yeah, I've seen that.
If I could pick one anti-aging cream, it would be a retinol cream to apply.
Wow.
Okay, and really quickly before we go, what do you suggest for men to keep their beards clean? You can just say this directly into the camera to my husband, Max. No, I'm just kidding. How do you keep a beard clean?
So super important. We're so afraid right now of getting sick, and we have to treat our beard like we treat our face, like we treat our hands and our hair. I mean, it's hair. So you got to shampoo your beard, you've got to condition your beard, and if you want to take the next step, now I've never done this because I can't grow a beard to save my life. I'm sure Michael can grow a much nicer beard than I can. Beard oil. Beard oil.
Yeah.
Okay? It'll help moisturize the beard, hydrate it, and prevent the one thing you do not want if you have a beard, beard dandruff.
Ooh. Oh, you know, Michael, you are.
Why are we looking at Clarl right now?
Oh, sorry, buddy.
No.
Don't do that. You're flaking all over the equipment over there.
It was really weird why I went straight to him. Anyway, now Michael, you are getting a little bit up there, so you really should start, taking care of your skin.
I do take care of my skin.
You're going home with all these products.
Routine.
No, I love the routine, but I literally started doing it myself because I realized, and I can see the big difference. So for all you guys out there, make sure you do this because it is very important, and everyone wants to have great skin.
Yeah.
Doc, thank you so much for helping us out. We really appreciate that.
We'll be right
Everybody stay right there. We'll be right back, as Keke said.